So good afternoon students. We are studying many different welding processes. Among the different welding processes, we have studied arc welding and different types of arc welding. Then yesterday we have studied some advanced process like laser beam welding or electron beam welding. And in the end, we have studied the different defects when there is no proper welding or lack of proper equipments of also. So there may be some different defects observed in welding. That part we have studied yesterday. Now from today, बरं स्क्रीन दिसते सगळ्यांना फ्रॉम टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दिस सोल्डरिंग अँड ब्रेझिंग बरं इथून पुढे आपल्याला सोल्डरिंग काय आणि ब्रेझिंग काय थोडक्यात बघायचं आहे तर टुडे विल जस्ट हॅव दॅट इंट्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेटर ऑन मंडे दिस विल गो इन टू डिटेल्स ओके सो सोल्डरिंग बेसिकली सोल्डरिंग and brazing both process lies somewhere in between fusion welding and solid state welding बरं fusion मध्ये काय होतं material gets somewhat melted and solid state welding they are in solid state only with the help of pressure they are welded. So soldering and brazing both provide the permanent joint to bond the various metal pieces. वरती soldering दिसतंय with the help of soldering gun are called as brazing. बरोबर there is a brazing drawing is there basically. So brazing can be done. So soldering and brazing आपल्याला पुढे बघायचं आहे. Basically soldering काय असतं in ENTC electronics and technician we are having this soldering type of joint at many applications. So we can see that soldering like the joining of metal using a filler metals. जॉईनिंग करताना आपल्याला फिलर मेटल ॲज अ सोल्डरिंग वायर वापरतो बरोबर सोल्डरिंग वायर आपण ॲज अ फिलर मेटल वापरतो जस्ट लाईक वेल्डिंग रॉड सो युजिंग अ फिलर मेटल ऑफ अ लोअर मेल्टिंग पॉईंट दॅन दॅट ऑफ द पॅरेंट मेटल जे पॅरेंट मेटल आपल्याला सोल्डरिंग करायचं आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी मेल्टिंग पॉईंट असलेलं फिलर मेटल आपण वापरतो टू बी जॉईन बरोबर जे मटेरियल जॉईन करायचं मला त्यापेक्षा कमी मेल्टिंग पॉईंट असलेलं मटेरियल ॲज अ फिलर मेटल वापरून मी जॉईनिंग करतो ते सोल्डरिंग ऑपरेशनमध्ये. The soldering process can be done at many applications. So it heat both items by applying the soldering iron to the copper pad and the component lead. बरोबर ती सोल्डरिंग गन जे असते सोल्डरिंग आयन म्हणतो आपण सोल्डरिंग आयनला हिटिंग करायचं करंट फ्लो झाल्यामुळे so that heating can be done. Continue heating and apply a few millimeters of a solder or soldering wire in the form of solder we have to use and remove the iron and allow the solder joint to cool naturally. बरोबर some fraction of millimeters of solder आपल्याला तिथं त्या heated soldering iron च्या ठेवावं लागतं and as soon as the solder is get melted by allowing it cool naturally we have to solder that different joints. So it only makes a second or two or to make the perfect joint. बरोबर साधारण सेकंद 2 ते 3 सेकंद किंवा कमी कमी 1 सेकंद सुद्धा कधी लागत असतो डिपेंड अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ जॉईंट बरोबर विच शुड अपियर शायनी बरोबर जॉईंट झाल्यानंतर काय होतं सोल्डरिंग कलरमुळे काय होतं सिल्वर कलर जस्ट लाईक इट लुक्स लाईक अ शायनिंग आफ्टर सोल्डरिंग. Good solder joint can be a smooth joint, shiny as well as clean and concave fillet. Well, that fillet is somewhat concave fillet is there. That is a soldering joint looking good, smoothie color and shiny as well as clean surface in that soldering joint. Then bad solder connection. These are the this is one as a good solder connection having glossy finish, having smooth and shiny finishing without any damage. But in this bad type of solder connections, there are cold solder joint that is not properly soldered. No, that solder wire is coldly soldered down. So that is a cold solder joint or not soldered properly. That connection is not properly done. That is suppose printed circuit board, PCB board design or अशा प्रकारचं soldering केलं जातं. But if that soldering is not proper, that is the bad solder connections which you can see. Now these are the different soldering tools. These are the different soldering tools used for soldering like vise, safety glasses, solder stucker, solder tool. These tools are used for various applications doing soldering. And soldering basically काय solder wire just solder. It is an alloy of tin and lead. लक्षात घ्या. Soldering ज्यावेळी करतो आपण त्यात filler metal. It is a metal of this mixture of alloy of a tin and lead. Tin in the proportion of 63% and lead in the proportion of 37%. That is 60-40 combination असतं. And it melts around at 361 degrees Celsius. बरोबर that soldering can be done with the help of the solder. And this is the soldering iron. बरोबर typically 25 to 30 watt ची soldering iron असते. if temperature is around 750 degree Fahrenheit or around 400 degree Celsius पर्यंत टेम्परेचर मिळतं आपलं सोल्डरिंग आयनला. Then tinning process, बरोबर. Soldering or tinning, apply solder to iron tip, then roll tip on damp sponge, बरोबर. Flux मध्ये ते बुडू लागतं and properly tin soldering iron tip, बरोबर. That is a tinning. Then soldering iron care, soldering iron cares and maintenance is there. What is flux, बरोबर. सोल्डरिंग करताना काय असतं, ज्याप्रमाणे आपण वेल्डिंग करताना पण फ्लक्स वापरतो, similar to that soldering wire, that solder is mixed with the is covered with some flux. Flux is basically chemical compound, bro. It is applied and shields the joint surface from air and prevents oxide formation, bro. Joint surface or flux layer तयार होती and it prevents further oxidation. Joining होताना काय होतं, further oxidation is removed or prevented by the using of flux. Although flux will dissolve and absorb oxide, बरोबर. फ्लक्स काय होतो, रिझॉल्व्ह होतो आणि तो बाहेरचा ॲटमॉस्फिअर ऑक्सिजन ऍब्सॉर्ब करतो बरोबर ड्युरिंग मेल्टिंग अँड फ्युजिंग. So that is flux is used. These are the applications. These are the PCB board, bro, printed circuit board, and they are welded or they are soldered with the help of machine soldering, bro. Automatic machine soldering केलं जातं, त्यामुळे अशा प्रकारे properly at very small places also weld soldering can be done. Soldering is used in this electronics and jewelry metalwork, bro. Electronics ते jewelry metalwork मध्ये soldering आपण बघतो. Refrigeration मध्ये अशी number of components तिथे आपण बघतो. It can be used as a semi-permanent patch also for leaking container cooking vessels. These are the advantages and these are the disadvantages. That part we'll cover in the next part. Now we'll turn to the brazing. What brazing is the brazing is a filler metal or alloy is heated to its melting point above 450 degrees Celsius. बरोबर. सोल्डरिंग मध्ये टेम्परेचर कमी असतं, लक्षात घ्या. बरोबर. सोल्डरिंग मध्ये किती टेम्परेचर असतं? We'll see that again. In that soldering, the temperature is around 400 degrees Celsius. Bro. But now in brazing, the temperature is around above 400 degrees Celsius. So understand, above 450 degrees Celsius, you have to do the brazing process is the in brazing operation. You apply heat broadly to the base metal. Or base metal heat apply करायची. The filler metal is drawn through the joint to create this bond. It's capillary action. आणि काय होतं, capillary action the metal आतमध्ये जातं. That is the brazing process. Or brazing method, torch brazing. So the torch brazing involves the with the help of some torch. That is a torch brazing is there. So with the help of the torch, we can do the brazing operation. Torch brazing, flux is applied to the part surfaces and torch is used to focus flame against the work at the joint. So that is a torch brazing. So torch brazing is used, reducing flame is used to prevent the oxidation. Flux काय करतं, flux is removing the oxidation part. So that is a torch brazing. Torch brazing is there. So the brazing operation is used with the help of this torch. Then furnace brazing. With the help of some furnace also brazing can be done. The induction brazing, that is not part of the syllabus, but we will understand that basically what is that brazing. Brazing आपण बघितलं थोडक्यात काय. Now these are the advantages of brazing and disadvantages of brazing. That part we will cover in the next part. Student, due to some urgent work, I cannot continue today's lecture. So brazing part and soldering part tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Monday. In Monday practical we will cover that practical. That soldering, because your last practical is also depend upon the soldering and brazing part. But तुमचं शेवटचं जे practical is, that is totally depend upon this soldering and brazing part. So we'll cover in that next part. Okay, students. So kindly complete your remaining submissions so that we can complete your one page